we want to thank you for joining us for this website course. With everything you've learned, you should now be comfortable enough to begin making edits and managing your Gradelink website. If you get stuck at any point, please reach out to websites@gradelink.com and one of our helpful support staff will be sure to assist you. Remember, our website maintenance package comes with dedicated support time every month that you can use for training, update requests, and general assistance for your site. You can also access this course and other resources anytime you need them at training.gradelink.com. Beyond that, we want to wish you all the best and happy website editing.